Welcome back to English Listening Practice video. This is episode 2. Today we're heading to the grocery store together and learning real English as we go. Stick with me, read the captions, and try repeating out loud. Let's begin. It's Saturday afternoon. I walk into my local grocery store. I grab a shopping basket and head to the first aisle. I say to myself, I need eggs, milk, bread, and maybe some apples. Oh, and don't forget cereal. I always forget cereal. As I turn the corner, I suddenly see someone familiar. It's John, my neighbor. I smile and say, "Hey, John. Long time no see." He smiles back and says, "Oh, hey, it's been a while. How are you?" I say, "I'm good, just doing my weekly shopping." He laughs and says, "Same here. This place is always busy on Saturdays." We both laugh a little. I ask him, "So, what are you shopping for today?" He says, "Mostly snacks for the kids, chips, juice boxes, cookies." I tease him a little and say, "Sounds like your kids are having a party." He laughs louder and says, "You're not wrong. They eat like little monsters on weekends." We both laugh again. Then I remember something and ask, "By the way, do you know where the peanut butter is?" He thinks for a second and says, I think it's in aisle 4 next to the jams and honey." I say, "Thanks. I always get lost in this store." He waves and says, "No problem. See you around." I wave back and say, "Yeah, take care." Then I walk to aisle 4 and grab a jar of peanut butter. I say to myself, "Got it. Now just apples, and I'm done." Next, I head to the produce section. A friendly store worker sees me and says, "Hello, would you like help finding anything?" I say, "Yes, where are the fresh apples?" He points and says, "Right over there, next to the bananas." I smile and say, "Thank you so much." He nods and says, "You're welcome." I pick my apples and walk to the checkout counter. The cashier smiles and says, "Hello, did you find everything you needed?" I say, "Yes, thank you." He scans my items and says, "That'll be $18.45. I hand him the money and say, "Here you go." He gives me my change and says, "Thanks. Have a great day." I reply, "You too." I walk out of the store with my bag full of groceries. The sun is warm and I feel good. And that's the end of today's story. Now it's your turn. Watch this video again. Repeat the sentences. Speak them out loud. And let English flow into your life naturally. This is Speaks Flow, and I'll see you in the next episode.